Nothing in Azimio at all. It's a storm in a teacup, okay? So don't believe. It was never about Raila Odinga. Azimio is a movement that has brought several political parties together. They share certain ideology and a common vision, what Azimio want to do, and you saw our manifesto. So it is not about Raila. It was not meant to reward Raila. But as you know, we have said that we never lost the elections. Never lost elections. Okay? So I don't understand what these people are talking about. Okay? The jury is still there. And watch this space.
We always have regional politics. And we are still in our very good tribal cocoons. It plays in parliament. We lie to ourselves. I don't want to lie to you. Kioni was right to say, because, the coalition was, by 9th, you decide where you want to go, isn't it? It was good also for the deputy president to say he must bring the region together, to unite the region. It is important. He's their leader. He's the deputy president, the most highest leader from Central Province now. What is wrong with that? Yes, it is for their interest. The same way Baba can go to Nyanza and say, for the interest of Nyanza people, which they did during the handshake. I think they benefited more during that time.